Alright, ready to dive into the world of TikTok? Let's get you set up in no time. First things first, download the TikTok app. If you're on an iPhone, head over to the App Store and search for TikTok. Android users, go to the Google Play Store and do the same. Install the app and open it up. Next, tap the TikTok icon to open the app. You'll see a welcome screen. Look for the Me icon at the bottom right and tap on it. Now, hit sign up to get started. You'll have a few sign up options: phone number, email address, Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Apple ID for iPhone users. Choose your preferred method. If you picked phone number or email, enter your details. TikTok will send you a verification code. Pop that code in to confirm your identity. Using social media login, it'll link directly to your TikTok. Set a strong password that you'll remember. Next, enter your birthday. TikTok requires users to be 13 or older. Time to personalize your profile. Add a profile picture if you like, set a unique username, and write a short bio about yourself or your interests. Finally, read and accept TikTok's terms of service and privacy policy. And there you have it. You're all set to start exploring, following creators, and creating your own videos. Happy TikToking!